Hi, I'm Dr. Karin Durfus from Branchburg Animal Hospital, and we are starting a new video series about different things that go on at the hospital behind the scenes. And our first video will be about a dental prophylaxis or dental cleaning. We get a lot of questions about what actually goes on during a dental cleaning, so we decided to start with this one. So please enjoy. The video is about 10 minutes, so sit back, relax, and see you later. Bye.
We'll be demonstrating a dental cleaning for you today. So the first thing that we need to do is to look at the teeth and see if there's any large chunks of tartar, which this animal does have. And so we will have to take the large chunks off first and then follow up with some hand scaling, similar to when you go to the dentist for your cleaning. And the gauze is just to catch any tartar that falls so that the animal doesn't swallow the tartar. So that's most of the larger chunks on this side of the teeth. And now we're going to use this tool to scrape under the gum line and over the tooth to get as much of the tartar as we can off, and then we'll follow up with ultrasonic scaling as well. And just like people that do not floss regularly, as we do the scaling, it's common for their gums to bleed a little bit. So they're not used to being probed. Now we'll begin the ultrasonic scaling of the teeth, which uses this instrument, and it will shoot out water to help just flush away some of the debris as you get it off the teeth. Now everything's been cleaned. The next step in dentistry is to measure for gingival pockets around the teeth, or any loose teeth, any cavity regions, anything that's out of the ordinary. So one way to do that is to use this tool. I don't know how well you can see it, and that just measures the depth around the tooth. So you just go up along the gum line and make sure there's no pockets. Sometimes if there is something, the probe will go up under the gum line even to that depth, and then we have to evaluate what we need to do, if a tooth needs to be extracted or if there's any other course of action we can take other than that. So everything actually looks good in this mouth. We'll check the inside of the other side of the mouth. I don't know how well you can see that, but I'm going to just do the same thing inside. Okay, so the next step after that, if everything looks okay, is to polish the teeth, which you also get done at your dentist's office. We usually rub the polish right on the teeth, where they usually will put a small amount in the cup that polishes. Sometimes we will do that also, but usually put a little bit on the teeth. Test it, make sure it works. And we're going to make sure we get surface. You don't have to be on there a long time, and just slightly under the gum line. This just helps smooth out the surface. If there was anything on the teeth, and also from the cleaning sometimes. And again, I'm going to do the insides of the other teeth, which is just hard to catch on video, so we're going to stop the video and then we'll just come back to show you what the fluoride application is at the end. Okay, the last part of the dental procedure is to apply some fluoride to the teeth, and that we just going to wipe on the teeth. That will help keep the enamel strong to any teeth that are there. So you just wipe that on there, and leave it on for a minute or two, and then you wipe off the excess before the enamel wakes up. You can tell in the video we have a much happier mouth now. The gums are already less red and all the tartar is gone. And that's the end of our dental cleaning.
Well, that concludes our dental video. I hope you enjoyed it, and keep on the lookout. You never know what's going to walk through the doors at Branchburg Animal Hospital. See you later.